Hey, I'll show you how to create a stunning glass effect in Premiere Pro. It's quick, easy, and will give your videos a modern cinematic look. Let's jump right in. Let's start by dragging our video clip onto the timeline. This is where all the editing takes place, and it's the foundation of everything we'll be creating in this project. Let's take a quick moment to add an adjustment layer. To do that, head over to the project panel, right-click, and select New Item. From the drop-down, choose Adjustment Layer. A settings panel will pop up where you'll see the video settings and pixel aspect ratio. Next, we'll take the adjustment layer we just created and place it directly above our clip on the timeline. With that in place, head over to the Effects panel and search for Transform. Once you find it, simply drag and drop the effect onto the adjustment layer. Inside the Effects Controls panel, you'll see the Transform effect appear. First, go ahead and change the scale value to 145. This will zoom our clip in just the right amount. Uncheck the Uniform Scale option. Now carefully bring the scale width down to 30. Take your time with this step so you can see the change clearly in the preview window. After that, set the rotation value to 25 to add a nice angled effect. And finally, in the Transform panel, make sure to adjust the scale once again, setting it to match the same number we used earlier. That's 145. After setting up the values, let's move on to animation. Go to the very start of the adjustment layer and add a position keyframe. Then drag the clip all the way to the left. It crosses out of the screen. Now move to the end of that same adjustment layer and add another position keyframe. But this time drag it all the way to the opposite side until it disappears from view. With the keyframes in place, select the very first keyframe, right-click, and choose Ease Out. Then select the last keyframe, right-click, and choose Ease In. Now for the final step, head back to the timeline and select the adjustment layer we just created. Hold down the Alt key, then drag to create two duplicates of that layer. This way the effect is repeated seamlessly. Hit play to preview your edit. And there you have it, the finished result. If you found this tutorial helpful and learned something new, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more editing tips and tutorials.